Our latest collaboration was super Halloween inspired. We collaborated with Metallic Elephant, who created an embossed stamp for us. I began by drawing and cutting all of the leathers, including the covering for the insock. Then when the stamp arrived, I chose a really great holographic silver foil, which I embossed all over the leathers. I then glued and covered both of the heel pieces. Then I stitched the uppers together, and then I lasted everything, making sure to include a toe puff and stiffener to hold the shape. Next, I trimmed the bottom, added the cork filler, and hammered on the soles. Then I drilled in the heels, added the sock for the final touch, and here are the final shoes. What do you guys think?